Alright, this is version 2 of my everyday carry that I'm holding up here. And behind me you see that hill where I had just recently made my survival kit video. So came down here, the wind was substantially less, and I decided I'd get this video out of the way too. This is the version 2. It's a fairly recent update, and after I did the original video on my everyday carry, my 365-day carry, they got me to thinking about it again, and it wasn't long after that they actually made a couple changes, generally upsizing stuff. So you can see what I've done here. Still got my car key. The whole point of the everyday carry is going to be with you always, so that's why I've attached everything to this keychain, because generally I always have my keys on me. So it is pretty much guaranteed 365-day carry. The only time that wouldn't be the case is if I'm going through the airport. But I don't do that every year, so this is 365-day carry. So, car key. This is a CPR rescue mask included with a small 2 nitrile gloves in there. Really packed in there tight. So that's pretty cool. I've connected everything together with these little different sized night eyes locking carabiners. I don't know if that's the right word for these things. But they lock up tight, so I'm not going to lose anything, which has been a problem in the past. And by having them, some of these individually attached on there, even though it makes it weigh a little more and gives a little more bulk, when these things can move around independently, they actually lay nicer in your pocket. And I can carry these in my pocket. In the winter, I'll tend to put my car keys in my jacket pocket anyway, so it doesn't matter. But generally I wear cargo-style pants, which even if they don't go in the cargo pocket, the front slash pockets are roomy enough to have these without too much problem. So what else do I got on here? Let's get more to the point. So car key, I got my rescue mask and 2 nitrile gloves. This guy here is another set of keys with something interesting. So this guy here itself is a knockoff of the Key Smart. This is a generic version, but as you can see, it's got a couple like little. This is supposed to be a bottle opener, and there's like some hex nuts. But I only have 2 real keys in here. The other things are, some of you will know what that is. I got basically my lockpick set down on the bottom there. And then these guys here are for warded locks, like some padlocks are like that. And this, of course, is your tensioning tool, your tension wrench. And then I still got a handcuff key, and then my house key and my mailbox key. So that's pretty cool. Nice way to carry those, and I wasn't carrying them before. So now I can almost get rid of those 2 keys and just use my all-access universal lockpicking set to get in where I need to go. Let's see. This guy here I upsized from my little tiny Leatherman Micra, I think it was. And I so like this. Very happy with this. I'm sad that I lost both the scissors, and I'm sad I lost the tweezers. But this is an extremely usable knife, and the tools can come out without opening the whole thing up like so many of the Leathermen. So it turns out that I actually use this more now, because it's easy to access the knife. Got in here. This isn't a review of this, the Skeletool, but clips on and off, so I can actually take it on and off super easy if I do need to use the tools for something. And in fact, I have used them kind of all over, at work, at home, kind of out and about. So I'm pretty happy with this upgrade. even if it is, you know, giant compared to what I had before. Let's see. Let's put him here. So this is the, you can't see it anymore, it's scraped off, but this guy here is the Olight i3E EOS, and the silvery one is 120 lumen. It runs on a single AAA, if I'm not mistaken. Love this light. Use it quite a bit, actually. These are just some dental picks. This guy here, just like some nail and hangnail clippers. So here's my little tweezers that I'm carrying now, since they're no longer in the Leatherman tool, which I like quite a bit. These are actually nicer than what I had before. Really sturdy. Like, you could really dig out a sliver or pull out a tick, whatever it is you're needing. And then this guy here, the one that I had previously on my keychain snapped off, so I actually lost it, and it was right after I replaced the batteries too. So this is just a little mini light and laser pointer, which I don't really use this too often. I could probably safely take this off, but I kind of like the idea of having a laser pointer. And that's it, really. So there's quite a bit to this, but it's not nearly as as like uncomfortable to carry as you might think. But like I said, I wear you know, like roomy cargo pants, so this thing can actually be carried. Like, I wouldn't be able to put these in jean pockets. But yeah, having it all on my keychain means it is always with me. And not many people can actually say that about their everyday carry. I can, so that's pretty cool.